Welcome to Hobby Electro Lab. Today, we are unboxing the ultimate tool for DIY electronics projects, the Soldering Helping Hands tool with 3x magnifier and smoke fan. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find a sturdy aluminum base, 6 flexible arms with heat-resistant clips, a 3x magnifying glass with an LED light, and a built-in smoke-absorbing fan. Everything you need for precision soldering and repairs. Here are all the parts, easy to assemble and perfect for beginners and experts alike. The flexible arms hold components securely. Installing this tool takes less than a minute. Sturdy metal base with built-in storage for organized and efficient workspaces. Adjustable 1x4x LED light for precise and focused visibility. USB rechargeable flashlight with 3x magnification for clear, hands-free precision. The magnifying glass with adjustable LED light offers crystal clear visibility. The flexible arms hold components securely, and the smoke fan keeps your workspace clean and safe. Get yours now at Tech DIY Dynamic. Best price, free worldwide delivery, and hassle-free returns.